So we got to replace our 7-way plug today. The one I had broke. This is just a cheap one. I think it was $6 or $7 on sale. So it's not a permanent fix, but it'll get me by for now. The reason it's cheap is because it doesn't have a good seal at the back. You're going to get water and stuff get in by your cable. You can buy the good ones that are solid with the wire coming out, and then you just splice your wires on. There's no way for water to get in, but this will work for now. And it's also hard plastic, so I don't imagine it'll last long in the cold weather. It'll snap pretty quick. So this little brass screw, we'll take that out. Those are connectors. Now those are all color coded, but they will not match with the ones on the truck. So let's go wire it up. The first thing you want to do is make sure you put this over your cables first. Just like so. Now, you're supposed to use those connectors right there. My old one broke off, so there was one connector left on. So that's what you need to use, but I don't have any of them. I thought I could use that style, but I can't. You have to use this style here to have a good connection. So I'm just going to wire mine up without using anything for now. Then I'll come back and fix it later. Like I said, this is just a quick fix for now. Just to get my lights working. But that's the connector you want right there. Those style connectors will go down in, once you loosen off the screw, it'll be like a 2-piece, and then you'll fit that down in behind, just like so. Tighten your screw. Hopefully you can see that. Okay guys, so like I said, I never had the proper connectors, and I need to get this trailer going, so I just unscrewed these screws, and they got like a brass plate, and I just put the wires in there and tighten them down with the screw. I just used the wires instead of the proper connector like this red wire had. I only had one. But if you had the proper connector, like I showed you earlier, they'll fit right down in through. So not the right fix, but it'll get me going for today, and then I'll fix it up later when I get the proper connectors. So this groove here that goes the whole way through your plug, that's the bottom of the plug. This groove here that goes 3/4 way through, that's where this stop screw goes into. So that's your top. So as you can see, there's the top screw hole, and this is your lock that plugs into your vehicle. So that's your top. So that's how you look at when you wire this up. So if we look at the top, we go to the very left plug, which is going to be yellow, and that's your left turn signal. Then you go to the very right across from it, which is going to be green, and that's going to be your right turn signal. And these are all color coded, these plugs, but they're not right, because this one is green and it's saying it should be brown. Okay, so left yellow, left turn signal, right green, right turn signal. Then we go to the very center. It's going to be black wire, and that's if you had reverse lights on your trailer, so that's going to be black. Then we go to the bottom left, which is white. That's your ground. So then we go to the bottom right here, bottom right. That's going to be your brake lights, which is going to be the blue wire. Then we go to the top left, which is going to be your brown wire. That's going to be your marker lights. Top left, brown wire marker lights. Then we go to the top right, which is the red wire. And that's going to be the wire that I have a dump trailer, so it'll charge off my truck, trickle charge. So that's your red wire. Hope that makes sense. Then we can slide our cap over. Put our locking screw back in. So this black piece goes in here. I think it works with this this tightener here. It pushes down on this white rubber to seal on your black cord. Just kind of make a tight seal. See what I mean? It's not a very good, that's not going to keep water out, that's for sure. But for $6, $7, it's a quick fix to get me going. As you can see, she was dragging on the road, so I got to get some black tape. Luckily, I never wore through the wires, so I'll black tape that up. It's pretty cold out today, so nothing wants to work with me. Everything's clear stiff, brittle. All right, let's check make sure everything's working. So our left turn signal should be working. It's working. Let's check the right. Right turn signal's working. Try and set something on the brake pedal. I can hear the brakes. Electric brakes are working, and our brake lights are working. So it's all correct. All right, guys, I hope that helped get you out of a quick jam. I'll revisit that after I get the proper plugs and fix it up the right way. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.